Hey guys, Tom here from the Geek Culture Podcast at geekculturepodcast.com. And hopefully you guys liked our new intro video because we made it at RenderForest.com. You guys are going to get a glimpse into how we made it. We're doing a review of the process. As you can see, RenderForest is a video template for intros and outros. With a bunch of different features, free to make accounts. So make sure you guys go over to renderforest.com and make one. So we are looking at a logo introduction. That was primarily what I wanted to do with our YouTube introduction, and as you can see, there are a ton of options. It is free to look at them. You can preview all of them, like I'm going to show you right now, as this is the one we are going to be working with. So it gives you an idea, uses the RenderForest play button, and shows you how it's going to be animated. All right, so when you click it, you're going to have a couple different options for versions. This is the 15-second version, perfect for an intro, and this is the one we're going to create. All right, so as you can see here, you can upload all your information or your pictures, but first I'm going to add our text, which is welcome to the cult, right at the beginning, because in playing with this, I have forgotten, so I wanted to make sure that if I'm going to be going through this, you guys would see it. So you can upload a bunch of different images, see what fits you guys the best. This image for us works the best because it fits within that PNG empty space, and in the animation you don't really see the bubbles, so it worked perfectly. Now as far as music goes, you can see I've added a bunch different versions, 13 seconds to 15 seconds, and you can see there's a lot of them, guys, but when we go back in music, I definitely missed this at the first time. You can also upload a voiceover, so if you guys are talking during your introductions, you can add those. But create as many audio options in like GarageBand as you can. It's really easy. So as you guys can see, we're going to be previewing our video because of the power of video editing. You guys don't have to wait the 2 minutes, and we're just going to give it a quick watch right now. This is what you guys see. Currently, there's a bunch of different editing options, and the final video will have watermarks in the bottom right corner over top of it, and actually over top of the audio that says something like renderforest.com. But it gives you an idea of where your audio is going to lie and how your image is going to look. So I like it. So we're going to buy it. So guys, there's 3 different options. There's a low, a high, and a best quality option. We're going to go with the best quality option is 1080p, full HD. All right. So all you do is you click, you want to buy it. You put in all your billing information, and you're just going to add a credit card, and it's as easy as that. You guys are going to be brought directly to a video dashboard where there your video is going to be queued and just rendered. And because of the process of post-video editing, you guys don't have to wait another 2 to 5 minutes. And the video's done. And all we're going to do is download it, and we can open it, and that's it, guys. This is such an insanely easy process. If you're looking for... I will wait. Watch the video in its entirety. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's so easy. It's like it's so easily templated that you can't mess it up. So make sure you guys go over to renderforest.com and just browse. Make a profile and just play with it. That's renderforest.com. It is so incredibly easy to use. You guys are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. And hopefully you guys enjoy RenderForest. We will see you guys next time. Peace. Thanks for checking out another video from the Geek Culture Podcast YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because we do a bunch of other different stuff. We do movies, television, video games, and even tech reviews. So hit that button if you haven't already, and check out our other social media. Thanks. See you guys next time.